Hey everyone! This week's video makes this alien flower lamp sculpture look easy. And, well, it really wasn't. There was a lot of learning, experimenting, and swearing at the end. But it was so worth it for how it turned out. And like it is most of the time with ceramics, it was a pretty unexpected outcome thanks to the glaze. See, I came across a treasure trove of free clay, and who's to say no to free art supplies? Unbeknownst to me at the time, it was a cone 10 clay, and all of my glazes are cone 5 to 6. After some research and a phone call to the company that makes the clay, as long as I use it for sculptural things, it'll work great. But that doesn't mean that it won't come without glaze surprises. This clay is one of my very favorites from the Coyote Crystals line, and it's supposed to be a brown glaze with blue crystals. What I ended up with on this alien flower, as you saw at the beginning, was a light purple into dark blue, and I'm super duper happy about it. Less crystals, yes, a lot more flowing, aka running, and adhering to my safety cookies, which meant dremeling and swearing. But all in all, I love it now that it's done. Would I make this sculpture again? For sure, and I do plan to expand on my alien flower lamp series. Things like this with texture and smooth surfaces get you some different glaze effects, so I always try to include both smooth and texture in everything I make just for some more interest. What you aren't seeing in this YouTube video, but is included in the real-time Patreon version, is things like the dry time of days in between to bring the petals and the base to a stronger, almost leather hard state so that they wouldn't collapse as I join them together. The string here was the real MVP, and at the end I covered the whole thing in a plastic bag for a few days so that the moisture would equalize throughout. That means it would dry all at the same rate-ish and have less, if not no, cracks. This is one of my most important go-to tricks in my bag, as sculptural work almost always dries out at a different rate as you build it. This was my first lamp attempt, and I really love bringing a different aspect into my sculptures. I found these light bulbs on sale, and it sparked my creativity because I knew how I positioned it would really show off the glaze job. If you've ever built a ceramic lamp and have any tips or tricks to share, let us know in the comments.